Janus Henderson Investors are a global asset manager helping investors achieve their long-term financial goals through active investment management. We use Anaplan in FP&A and business finance for financial planning and HR planning. Before Anaplan, our processes were slower, manual, and difficult to scale. Anaplan has helped us consolidate our data across various platforms, including assets under management, employee data, and our general ledger. With profitability analysis, Anaplan has enabled transparency into which business areas drive value. And with our net new revenue model, we can better understand our headline revenue number, giving us a better indication of our sources and drivers of growth. Anaplan has transformed the way we plan and measure performance with our business. We've built an Anaplan Centre of Excellence with certified expertise in-house, which has been invaluable. We can update our assumptions more easily and more frequently, giving our leadership the most up-to-date outlook and view of our business. I'm Nia Agrawal, FP&A Associate Director at Janus Henderson Investors, and we plan with Anaplan.